Hey, how's it going, Alex? This is Jesus. We spoke on the phone earlier, and first and foremost, let me just say thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And there's just a few things that I want to talk to you about. I talked to you about how to outrank your competitors earlier on the phone, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do that. Okay, so there's three things that we're going to talk about today. First one being content, the second one being backlinks, and then thirdly we're going to talk about citations. All right, so before we get started, I'm looking at your website here, and I just got to say that it's beautiful. It's super user friendly, and I appreciate that. Like, that is awesome. I don't know who this young lady is, but very, very nice. Gives it like a nice homey feeling. And then of course you have the map box here, and that's pretty good. Got all your socials. So this is all great. Like, I appreciate the website. This is really great. The only thing is that Google honestly, it doesn't care about how beautiful the website is. The only thing they're looking for is content. So if I were to highlight this whole thing here and just press copy, put it in my word finder, or my word counter, I'd paste it here. You have roughly 222 words. So an authoritative website on Google has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So we're definitely going to look into, or I would recommend you look into maybe putting some more content on your homepage here, just so it'd be easier for your customers to find you and your potential clients to find you as well. Another thing is relevant keywords, right? So making sure that your site has photographer in Farmington, New Mexico, Farmington, New Mexico photography, photographers Farmington, anything that anything that is a buyer's intent keyword, right? People that are looking to buy now. That's what Google is looking for, especially when people search, right? People get on Google and they search photography, Farmington, New Mexico. This is why your competitors, as I Googled it here, right? Photographers, Farmington, New Mexico, you'll see Mirabelle, AB, Shutter Freak. So you're not here in this map pack, nor you're not either in this organic section here. Okay, so we're going to talk about really quick how you can get into this organic section first, and then we'll talk about this one here. So as I used my tool, it's called Ahrefs. And you can use any tool you want, to be honest, to look up backlinks and things like that. I pay for this tool, obviously, because I'm in the industry. So we're going to get started with your referring domains. This is just websites that link back to your website and how many times they link back to your website. You have 3 organic keywords that are buyer intent keywords. And let's take a look at that really quick. You have Native American Modeling Agency, wedding photographers in Farmington, New Mexico, and modeling agencies in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So what I would recommend is you increasing the amount of keywords in there first and foremost, and then upping the amount of referring domains, right? And putting your website in those domains. Let's see. Let's take a look at your domains here. Okay, so you got this one, the net24, and similars.net. So yeah, I would definitely look into putting in some more domains here. Let's see, just like let's go to Shutter Freak. Let's check out these guys as backlinks. I'm trying to be short and to the point. That way, come on. That way I can show you exactly what I mean, okay? So we're going to go to Overview. Plug them in here. We're going to see how many backlinks and referring domains, okay? So it looks like your competition has 110 referring domains and 1,000 over 1,000 backlinks. Okay, they're getting roughly 44 people viewing their website every month. Okay, give or take. And look at the amount of keywords they have here. And you're missing out on the traffic. Okay, so this amount of traffic right here, you're missing out on all this just because you're not in the organic section nor in the Google Map Pack. Okay, so I'm going to show you really quick probably the most important thing. Okay. Oh, another thing. Is that backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal, okay? First and foremost, let me say that. Google wants to know that that websites are linking back the websites that are linking back to your website are trusted websites and websites that are relevant to what you're selling, right? So photography places, anything in the photography industry, weddings, things like that, right? Google wants to see that your referring domains are referring back to those, and those are referring back to you. So and the good thing about it is that if these websites are good enough to rank your competition, then they're good enough to rank you. Like, just take all the ones that you have and the ones these guys have, and we just combine them together, and bam, you're ranking there in Google. Excuse me. And then, let's see. Sorry, I just had a coughing fit, so I had to pause the video. But, okay. So now we're going to talk about citations, okay? So we're going to go back to this place over here. And this is where most of the traffic is going to, okay? I don't know about you, but whenever I look up something in Google, like plumbers or something in Farmington, I usually don't scroll down here. I normally just go up here to this place right here. Although they do say that 97% of people do not even go to the second page. They just stay here on this first page, get something organically, or get something here from the map pack here. So the way we get here is by putting your website, excuse me, not your website, your address, your phone number, and just basically your information for your business. We would put it right. We would put all of your information in those directories, or in the directories are like Yelp, you've got white pages, yellow pages, things like that. I'm sorry, I'm still having some coughing fits. But you just have to have more citations than your competitors here, okay? So if your competitors have roughly 150 citations, then you'd want to one-up them, maybe have 200 citations by putting your information in those directories. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you, some of those directories do require you to pay money, right, in order to be featured on their website and to put your information on their websites. But that's okay, right? You're going to be making so much more money and getting so much more clientele by putting your information out there, getting your business out there, right? Maybe you'd even be able to hire someone or outsource, right, some help. So this is basically what you would have to do to rank on Google, okay? So first one is content, making sure that you have relevant keywords on your website. Second one is backlinks, ensuring that your backlinks are trustworthy and that they're referring back to your website, bringing traffic to your website. People are able to view it. People are able to contact you through that website. And then lastly, a citation is probably the most important, being here in this map pack, right? So putting your information in those directories, like I said, Yelp, yellow pages, white pages, Home Advisor, places like that. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I guess, you have two options. So the first option is you can do this all yourself, right? To bring in more revenue, bring in more clients, and putting yourself out there. Or you can outsource someone, right? If you need any help with any of this, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm just here to help local businesses grow and get their names out there. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so much, Alex. Have a good day.